Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, Filling In. Today we're going to try out some chicken nuggets from, let's see what we got. PDQ, Wendy's, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, today's on Sunday, you know that, KFC, Jack in the Box, and Burger King. And I'll let you know which one's my favorite. Let's see what all we got. We got PDQ, Jack in the Box, Wendy's, Burger King, Chick-fil-A, KFC, and McDonald's. And let me tell you, I'm hungry. It took me 2 hours to get all this. So let's try it out. Let me tell you what's the best. Okay, where to start? I feel like starting with PDQ because I never had their chicken nuggets. Oh my god, I'm dripping barbecue sauce. The good thing is, I got a ton of napkins. Tons of napkins, so it's just real fast. No, let's not do that. Yeah, that one. Let's try this out. I like the sauce. I think to make it fair, I'm gonna use this sauce for all the nuggets. PDQ, not bad. We'll come back to it. We got Jack in the Box. This looks like fake chicken. That's actually better than what I thought. Look at the Wendy's. Let's try some Wendy's. I feel like I'm going to have to do all of it without any sauce. First it's going to be sauce, then without. Of course, Wendy's is always good. Burger King. Burger King, the best price. $1.50. $1.59 after taxes. Definitely the best price. Most expensive, PDQ, and then Chick-fil-A and KFC. Let's see, Burger King. It's so hard to tell with sauces. The sauces make any of them good. There's little little 4-piece nuggets. I mean, of course, Chick-fil-A's is like legit chicken. You can't get more legit than Chick-fil-A's nuggets. The Szechuan's. Got the KFC here. A little bit popcorny. I'm thinking KFC is my least favorite, automatically. I don't know. Had a weird first taste. And of course we got McDonald's, the tried and true. got 100 pieces in there before.
Mama, mama, mama.
Well, they all pretty much taste the same when you use sauce. I'll tell you that much. If you use the exact same sauce, that'll taste pretty much the same. So the real test is going to be no sauce. No sauce is the way to go. So let's start backwards again. We got the PDQ. Looks like real chicken. I feel like that's going to be the closest thing to KFC. Jack in the Box. I actually like Jack in the Boxes. I've never had there before. Wendy's. I usually always love Wendy's. Wendy's and Jack in the Box is really, really close to tasting the same. Like really close. I'm surprised. Burger King. A little different seasoning. Probably except for Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A never disappoints. Now let's go back to KFC. Yeah, I'm thinking that's my least favorite, KFC. Now McDonald's. Okay. My professional eating, tasting opinion here is from worst to best. I'm gonna go with KFC. I like them the least. Then we're gonna go with McDonald's. To me, their nuggets taste kind of greasy and fake. Here's where it gets a little tough. I'm gonna go with Burger King next. Even though it's the cheapest, for sure. Let's see. Let me try one more bite, just to get this correct. Hold on. Okay, I'm moving it around. PDQ, then Burger King. So then we got the top three here. These are actually kind of tough decisions on this one. We got Jack in the Box, Wendy's, and Chick-fil-A.
Mama,
Okay, we're gonna go Burger King, Wendy's is second, and you can't beat real chicken from Chick-fil-A. Definitely has to be the number one. So from best to worst, Chick-fil-A, Wendy's, Jack in the Box, surprised. Burger King was a clear fourth. PDQ for number 5. McDonald's, I mean, all the kids love you, but if they got more options, McDonald's is number 6. And KFC, I know why I don't buy you now. Not a fan at all of your popcorn, nuggets, chicken stuff. Yeah, with some dipping sauce, anything can taste good. Could be why y'all gave me 3 dipping sauce and everybody else gave me 2 or 1. Just saying. But if you want me to do some more food videos, trying out maybe the best fries or best chicken sandwiches, not just Chick-fil-A and Popeyes, you know, all the chicken sandwiches from this many places at least, like, subscribe, hit that bell, and share it. Thanks.